Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. What we'll be doing today, guys, let me show you here on the Mazda CX7. We will show you how to remove, guys, and replace rear window motor. Okay, this is your rear window motor. Now, we have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car, more than 200 videos. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So let's go ahead and start on the process now. So we need a small flathead screwdriver right here. We need to remove this cap. Okay, pop it open like that. It will come out eventually. Okay, perfect. Right here there is one screw with a Phillips screwdriver that we need to remove. Okay, let me see which one's better, with the light or without the light. I think with the light. So let's go ahead and remove that screw now. Right here, another screw. You might have a cap there, you might not have a cap. Okay, perfect. Now this cap right here, guys, let's remove that one as well. With a plastic panel removal tool, all the parts and tools that we use, they will be listed in the description of the video below. Yes, 2 clips. They go in these holes right here. Now with a plastic panel removal tool, guys, we're going to start popping the clips open. Okay, let's see where we can start that. You can get the tool in. I recommend to get on the front side. Okay, and once you start it, usually you come out, you need to pull this way. We'll show you where all the clips are and all that stuff. Okay. Once we remove the panel, sometimes those clips will break, so we have to replace them. Stay with us and we'll show you where we get our replacement clips from. Now right here, guys, we need to disconnect, okay, the window switch. But before that, we're going to disconnect the door handle by pulling out like that and disconnecting, okay, the cables. The yellow one goes on top. So now we can actually show you the clip for the switch. Okay, right here you can see this clip, push in, pull out. Okay, just like that. So you can see, guys, those clips now. Okay, this is a good clip, it's still good, but how you pull them out of the door if they break. Stay with us and we'll show you and where we get our replacement ones, because it's really good deal, I promise you. So those are the clips. They come with even the tools necessary to remove door panels. It comes with actually you can see with a prying tool as well, the metal prying tool here. We got 2 sets of those because we use them so much. Okay, and you have to go under the clip and just pry it out. Sometimes they will be super tight. Careful not to go in your eyes. Okay, this came out. Let us just show you now how you replace them. Perfect. Now we need to find a clip that is close to this one. So check it out now. This is like, I don't know, 400 and something clips, I believe. 324 clips together. They have different packages, different options, so we need to find that close to that one. Okay, and you can see this one will work. So let's check on the hole. Oh, yep, it will go in. So all we have to do, just slide it right there on the panel, push in, okay, and later install your panel. So that's how you guys replace the clips. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So we have 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips that hold the panel in place. With the door panel out of the way, this is your window motor, guys, right here. You can see it has only 2 wires. So how you disconnect that thing, okay, that thing right here, push in and push it out. We'll have a video, guys, how to test the window motor, so make sure, guys, you check out the video. 10mm socket, we're going to remove 3 screws. Okay, perfect. Now you grab the motor, pull it out. We'll get the new one and show you how to put it together in just a minute. So you get the new motor now, guys. You can find out in the description of the video where we got it from. All we have to do now, okay, put it on, align the teeth. Okay, you have to get it in. If it's not going in, you have to turn the teeth a little bit by hand. Okay, until everything aligns. Perfect. And you can see our thing, guys, it sank all the way in. So what we're going to do, okay, we're going to actually remove the speaker, hold it on the inside with one hand and push the new motor in. So that's it pretty much. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.